Good morning, dear students. In the last class we discussed about exercise 3.3 and that 4 problems we did, first main 4 problems. So we'll now move to the next problems. Fifth one, I assigned this as homework, so please check whether what you got is right or wrong. So a fifth question, square root of 2x plus square root of 3y is equal to 0. I call this as equation 1, and square root of 3x minus square root of y is equal to 0. So listen this problem carefully. It's very easy but looks complicated, but it's very easy. Okay, now what we'll do, I'll take equation 1. Even if you want equation 1 you can take, or you can take equation 2 also, no problem. So I'll take equation 1. From that I'll make the y value. So from equation 1, so what is equation 1? Square root of 2x plus square root of 3y is equals to 0. So now from this you can write here square root of 3y, which is equals to minus square root of 2x. So then y is equals to minus square root of 2x divided by square root of 3. So call this as equation 3. Okay, so this is equation 3. So now what you will do, substitute equation substitute this values in equation 2. Which value? X value. So substitute equation 3 in 2. What is equation 3? That is nothing but y value. So in the y value you need to substitute. So square root of 3x minus square root of 8y, which is equals to 0. So then equation square root of 3 into x minus square root of 8. So in the place of y, what I am going to do, I'll write this. So minus square root of 2x divided by square root of 3, which is equals to 0. Okay, now simplify this. If we simplify, square root of 3x minus here 8, here square root of 8, here square root of 8 into square root of 2. What you're going to get? Square root of 8 into 2, 16. What is square root of 16? Is nothing but 4. So what I'm going to do, minus into, so here minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, so here minus into minus plus 8 into square root of 8 into square root of 2, which is nothing but 4x divided by square root of 3, which is equals to 0. Now here nothing is there, 1 is there. Now we can simplify, denominators are not same. So for that what we need to do, we need to take the LCM, or we need to cross multiply it. So what I am going to do, I'll cross multiply. Even if you want you can take the LCM. So LCM for 1 and root 3 is root 3. So if we cross multiply this, so square root of root 3x into root 3 plus 4x divided by square root of 3, which is equals to 0. Is it clear? So now simplify it. Square root of 3 into square root of 3. So square root of 3 into square root of 3. So it becomes square root of 3 square, or 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3, 9. So square root of 9 is 3. So you can write here 3x plus 4x divided by square root of 3 is equal to 0. So now what we can do, we can simplify it further. So here 3x plus 4x, which is equals to 0. 3 plus 4 is 7x, which is equals to 0. So x is equals to 0 divided by 7. So then x is equals to 0. So we got that x value. So from this x value, substitute in the equation 3 or equation 2 or equation 1. So if you do like that, so you'll get that y is equals to minus square root of 2 into 0 divided by square root of 3. So therefore y is equals to 0. So therefore our x value and y value is 0 for this equation. I hope all of you understood this. Yes. If you have any doubt in this problem, so text me. I will help you to solve this. Okay. So I hope all of you understood. So no doubt with this, very easy one. But only thing, the different thing in this is the square root they mentioned. So that is the different thing. Other than that, the remaining things, everything is same. Okay, we'll move to the next problem. The fifth one, sorry, sixth one. So now what we can do? So you can call this as equation 1, and this is equation 2. Okay, so here also the same thing from equation 1 or from equation 2. So make the x value or y value, any value which value you want. From the you can do that values. So I'll take the first equation and I'll do x value. So 3x divided by 2 minus 5y divided by 3 is equals to minus 2. So from this, this is the fraction one. So it will take one or two steps more to make the x. So here 3x divided by 2, which is equals to minus 2 plus 5y by 3. So therefore here 3x by 2, which is equals to, simplify here, take the LCM or cross multiply. So you'll get minus 6 plus 5y divided by 3 ones are 3. So now simplify it further. So cross multiply. If you cross multiply, no need to multiply the denominator. Why? Because this is the, what is this? So this is equal to symbol is there. When you have to multiply the decimals, the denominator, only if it has plus or minus. If it has is equal to, no need to multiply the denominator. Just you can cross multiply and you can leave. So here 3 into 3, that is 9x, which is equals to, so 2 into minus 6 plus 5y. 2 into minus 6 plus 5y. So here x is equals to minus 12 plus 5 2 is a 10y divided by 9. So x is equals to, so 10y minus 12 divided by 9. So this is equation 3. Call this as equation 3. Now substitute this value in equation 1 or equation 2. So which value, where you want, you can substitute at that place. So now I'll take, so not where you want. So from where we got this equation? From the first equation we got. So it will need to substitute for the second equation. So now the second equation. So here x. So write this step. Substitute equation 3 in 2. Equation 3 in 2. If you do that, what is equation 2? X by 3 plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. Okay, so now equation x value is 10y minus 12 by 9. So 10, x value is 10y minus 12 divided by 9 divided by 3 plus y by 2, which is equals to 13 by 6. Okay, so it is looks like complicated. No complicated. So what you will do, so here two numbers were there. So first make it as one digit, mean one fraction. Here two fractions we have. Here also this 10y minus 12 by 9 is also one fraction, and 3 by 1 is also one fraction. So what you will do, we will make it as a one fraction. So afterwards you can simplify, you'll get the answer. So your 10y minus 12 divided by 9 into, here 1 by 3 is there, so take the reciprocal. So if you take the reciprocal, you get 1 by 3. So then plus y by 2 is equals to 13 by 6. So now, so 10y minus 12 divided by 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, plus y divided by 2, which is equals to 13 by 6. Now simplify it further, cross multiply. Now it become only one fraction. Now you can cross multiply. We cross multiply 2 into 10y minus 12 divided by, sorry, this into this, plus y into 27, that is 27y divided by 27 into 2. What is 27 into 2? It is nothing but 54, right? 27 into 2 is nothing but 54. So 54, which is equals to 13 by 6. Now simplify it further. So that is 2 into 10, 20y minus 12 twos are 24, plus 27y divided by 54, which is equals to 13 by 6. So now simplify this further, 20y plus 27y. So what will get? 47y minus 24. No, cross multiply. Okay, no, first do this one, afterwards you cross multiply. 54, which is equals to 13 by 6. Now I can cross multiply 6 times 47y minus 24, which is equals to, what is that, 13 into 54. So already a 6 is there, we'll do one thing. So we'll keep the 6 here only. So it will become simplification become easy. Even you can multiply like this also, no problem, or else you can keep here only. Simplification become easy. So here 6 ones are 6, 6 nines are, right, 6 nines are 54, as in. Okay, now so 9 into 13, that is 117. So here 47y minus 24, which is equals to 117. So now bring this side, 47y minus is equals to 117 plus 24. So 117 plus 24, what will get? 47y, which is equals to 141. So therefore y is equals to 141 divided by 47. So therefore y is equals to divided by 47 in the sense, so it is nothing but 3. 47 ones are 47, 47 3s are 141. Now we got y value. Substitute this y value in the equation 3 or equation 2 or equation 1. So I'll substitute in the equation 3. So then x is equals to, so 10 into y value is 3, substitute here 3, minus 12 divided by 9. So then x is equals to 10 3s are 30 minus 12 divided by 9. So what will get? 30 minus 12 is nothing but 18. So which is equals to 18 divided by 9. So if 18 divided by 9 is nothing but x is equals to 2. 9 ones are 9 twos are 9 ones are 9 twos are, that is 2 by 1 is nothing but 2. I hope all of you understood this. Yes. So this you need to copy in your classwork. Okay. So next we'll move for the next problem. Okay, here the next problem. Solve 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24, and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus 3. It's very simple. So here equation 1 and equation 2 is there. So from this equation 1 and equation 2 you need to find the x and y values. After finding the x and y values, so you need to substitute that x and y values in the equation y is equal to mx plus 3. If you do that, we'll get m value that we need to find now. Okay, now what I do, so as usual, so take the equation 1 and from the equation 1 find x value or y value. I'm finding here x value. So here 2x plus 3y is equal to 11 and 2x is equal to 11 minus 3y. So here x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. So here transpose is to right hand side, it become minus 3y. So then x is equal to 11 minus 3y by 2. So now the call this as equation 3. Now substitute this equation 3 in equation 2. So equation 2 is 2x minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So then 2 into 11 minus 3y divided by 2 into minus 4y is equal to minus 24. So here 2 into 11, 22, minus plus into minus minus 3 into 6, 6y divided by 2 minus 4y by 1 which is equal to minus 24. So here need to simplify, so you take the LCM or need to cross multiply. As usually we doing cross multiplication, for a change I am doing a LCM. If you want you can do the cross multiplication also. So LCM for 2 and 1 is 2. So here to multiply 2 on both the side, and here no need to multiply. Why? Because already 2 is there in the denominator. So now if you do that, so 22 minus 6y minus 8y, 4 2s are 8, minus 8y divided by 2. Okay, so which is equals to minus 24. Now cross multiply this. So 22 minus 6y minus 6y minus 8y, that is minus 14y, and here 2 into minus 24, that is minus 48. So then 22 transpose to the RHS, it become minus 14y, which is equals to minus 48 and minus 22. So then minus 14y is equal to minus 70. 48 and 22 is minus 70. So minus minus get cancels. Then y is equal to 70 by 14. If you simplify by 70 by 14, you'll get y value is equals to 5. After getting y value which is equal to 5, okay, however all of you understood till here. After getting y value is equal to 5, now substitute that y value is equal to 5 in the third equation or first equation or second equation. I'll go for third equation. So if we do that, so here 11 minus 3 into 5, in the place of y substitute 5, divided by 2. So x is equal to 11 minus 3 5 is a 15 divided by 2. So next is equals to minus 4 by 2. So 2 ones are 2 2s are what, 2 minus 2. So we got x value also. X is equals to minus 2 and y is equals to 5. I hope all of you understood. So now what we need to do, we need to find the value of m. How to find the value of m? We need to substitute the value of x and y in y is equal to mx plus 3. If we do that, we'll see what we're going to get. So we know that y is equals to mx plus 3. So simplify. Now substitute the values of x and y. So y is equal to 5, which is equals to m into x value minus 2 plus 3. Now what you'll get, transpose it to left hand side. So 5 minus 3, which is equals to minus 2m, m into minus 2. So 5 minus 3 is 2, which is equals to minus 2m. So we want only m, here minus 2m is there, so isolate m. So how? So dividing. So 2 divided by minus 2 is equal to m. So therefore, so m value which is equals to 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. So our m value which is equals to minus 1. I hope all of you understood this. Okay, see if you have any doubts, so please ask me through the message, and copy this in your classwork. and don't forget to mention today's date and day. Okay. Okay, I'll assign you some homework problems, so please do this in your homework book. So do these three problems in your homework book. So this is in the statement form. Do in homework book. This is in statement form, so convert this statement form to the algebraic form, so then solve it by the substitution method. So find the values of x and y. Okay, it is easy, try to solve it. So if you if you doing, so I'll again cross verify this and I'll do the same problems in the next class. Okay, so I hope all of you understood today's class. If you have any doubts, so please ask me through the message. Okay, so then the remaining thing we'll see in the next class. Have a nice day. Bye, take care.